Hi guys, my name is Olga Larnaudie. I live in French Alpes and I'm a natural cosmetic formulator. I've been making natural cosmetics for more than 20 years now. Here on my channel I want to share my experience, my ideas, my recipes, and to help you to make your beauty routine a little bit greener and safer for you and for our planet. We're going to make this nice and silky avocado body butter. Very easy to make. It takes you maybe 15 minutes to make this product, and it's a great alternative to commercial products. 100% natural, biodegradable. You can use whatever box or jar you have at home already. It gives you a very nice non-sticky skin feel. It moisturizes your skin. For this product we're going to use shea butter. Shea butter helps to bring elasticity to your skin, and actually it's a great natural skincare product. And we're also going to use avocado oil. Avocado oil is a great skincare ingredient. It has a very interesting chemical structure. It contains a lot of nice fatty acids that take care of your dry skin, and different ingredients which actually helps to improve the dry skin condition. And also it brings this nice green color to your butter. We're also going to use some starch. Starch helps to make this butter velvety and not sticky. And also I'm going to add a few drops of essential oils of my choice. I'm going to use basil oil, lavender oil and orange oil. Very nice and fresh aroma with some green notes, which I like. And now we're going to put our shea butter on bain-marie, and the temperature of the water should be like warm, not hot. The melting point of shea butter is around 37 degrees Celsius. You shouldn't burn it, you shouldn't boil it. You should put it into bain-marie, in the water in the bain-marie should be around 40-45 degrees. So it's warm, it's not even hot. You can actually touch it with your finger without burning your finger. And while we melt our shea butter, we're going to wait the rest of our ingredients. Our shea butter is melted, and so now we're going to make our product. Shea butter is a tricky ingredient because if you do it the wrong way, then shea butter starts to form crystals, like white crystals in your product. It's just not, pretty. We like to keep the texture of our butter nice and smooth. What happens? Why shea butter makes these naughty white crystals? It happens when we melt our shea butter and then the temperature drops unevenly. For some parts of our butter the temperature is a little bit higher, in some parts the temperature is a little bit lower. In order to avoid it, when you took your shea butter from bain-marie, you should actually cool it down till room temperature, constantly stirring. When you stir your shea butter while cooling, the temperature actually drops evenly. So then you're gonna have this nice smooth texture without any grains. you're gonna see that your butter becomes fluffier, and then you're gonna have this nice and silky like cream-like texture. And that's a good moment to put your body butter in the jar. You can keep this body butter for around 6 months at room temperature, and the best way to use it is after taking shower. You take your shower, then you dampen a little bit your skin so it's still wet but there are no drops, and then on this wet skin you apply your body butter. Butters and oils in our product will lock up the moisture in your skin, and you're gonna see your skin like well moisturized, soft, smooth, silky. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you found this video useful, and see you next time. Au revoir!